Hello dear friends, welcome to our Doypack factory. Today I want to show you our Doypack machine to packing the protein powders. At my back, this is our Doypack machine model type 210. It can running and packing 500 grams to 1 kg protein powders. The machine is a full stainless 304. The machine can reach 800 kilograms, so the machine is very durable, running stable, and very easy cleaning. Simens operation touchscreen control. The speed, total output quantity will be shown on the touchscreen very clear in the production. The machine, the button of the stop, start, engine checking, emergency stop buttons, all of the outside of the machine. So it will be very easy and safety for you for the operation in the production. The machine has the alarm function and the intelligent control system. The no zipper Doypacks will warning, no opening the bags, no filling, no filling, no sealing. Customized zipper Doypacks feeder. It will be feeding the Doypacks one by one to the machine. When the machine pick up the bags, it will be coding first, and then zipper opening device will opening the zip Doypacks with two working suckers. The working sucker opening will be controlled by the SCM working pressure detection. After opening the zipper Doypacks completely, the Doypacks will be filled by the auger screw filler and controlled by the servo drive. The filling workplace has the working cleaner device to make the sealing clean and firmly. After filling the powder, we will add one more workplace to filling and to counting and filling the spoon. One bag, one spoon filling. The spoon filling machine will be controlled by the PLC system together with the machine. So no powder filling will no spoon filling. After the spoon filling, we will have the arranging device to make the sealing stable and nice. After the arranging the products, will be sealing and the output will be output here. Let's see the sealing performance and the coding performance. If you know more about our Doypack machine or want to customize your Doypack machine, please contact us through our website. We will contact you soon.